Hi, my name is Nicole with So Much More, and in today's video we're going to learn all about red snappers. Red snappers help you load your quilt to a long arm system. Let's get started. The red snapper system really speeds up the time it normally takes to load a quilt. The clamps and hollow rods work really well together that the fabric isn't going to slip out. You do need to give a little bit of pressure to make sure that the clamp goes completely over the rod to create that nice seal. That's really all there is to installing the red snapper system. Now I like to float my batting and I often like to float my top. So I'm not going to be using that third leader as much as some other folks do, but it's there just in case that I need it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your long arming friends. Bye for now.